and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon. I'm at the back of the garage because the greenhouse hasn't been ordered or bought yet. So today we're going to crack on with the cherry laurels to replace the fence. So we're going to get those planted in, make sure the ground's all even, and what we'll do is make sure there's got a bit of root booster in there as well, just to give them that boost that they might need. So we'll crack on and see how we get on, and as always, enjoy. So here's the cherry laurel that I've ordered. It's going to go into the bottom border as a hedge instead of a fence. All look pretty healthy, 2 litre pots. And I've got 60 of these. So these are going to go in front of the retaining wall to create a living hedge, a fence, a defence. So hopefully it'll be something for the birds to nest in. A little bit hardier than a fence and wind resistant as well, because it gets really windy up here. So if we just spin round, it's going to go down there in front of the fence. So we're going to dig it out, and they should be positioned about a foot apart. So we'll measure it up, see what we're doing, but there'll be some going in the bottom and then some will be going into the front garden as well. So we'll get raking up and get measuring, and then we'll be in a position to start planting them. Cherry laurel. There's 5 left in here, but I'm going to have to replace this fence go across to just beyond that breeze block. Just going to build a wall. Not a bad day's work though. Nice healthy plants, all put in, and the garden is now starting to take shape again as we get back on track, hopefully. And so here's my finished retaining wall, just pointed up, just needs digging out so I can put the rest of the laurel bushes just down to the end of this wall, and then the fence will start from the end of the wall, ignore the rubble, but it'll make its way all the way up to the end of the garage, and that's where the patio is going to go. So another productive day, productive weekend, laurel bushes in and wall built. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.